no known address. I want to write a letter to everybody. A letter to make knees bend like broken stems and cracked wineskins vain. I want it to reach someone with power, who reads with her fingers and doesn't have a cell phone or a permanent residence. Someone without a voice who will find somebody to read the letter out loud, shout it to solemn assemblies. It will start and end with God, the one with the fairy and the saxophone, that one there by the jukebox. I want to write a letter no one can forward, like the whisper on the pillowcase, like the taste of blood.